I'm here with
Connie.
and we filmed on their channel as well, so we'll be talking through both of them, and theirs isn't going to start in 9 seconds. So if you can't see us that well, but we're going to say hi guys in this channel, so stay for 2 seconds.
Hi guys! Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing my detachable rubber collection. And we're going to be also doing the rubber challenge. Oh, the rubber challenge as well. Oh man, it's only 15 minutes long. Okay. We're going to be doing the rubber challenge as well. Just saying. We're filming on our channel as well. My channel I already know, so there's 2 cameras. So I'll probably be talking to mine more, and she'll probably be talking to Wes more. And like she said, touchable rubbers. I'm just going to pull them all out, and we're not going to tell you what ones she is. I'm going to show you. So I've got this giraffe one. It is a yellow spotty giraffe.
And there is an ice cream. Now you show that one to my camera. And
They can both see them. Like just like there.
Yeah, they can't see it in mine though.
Yeah.
They can.
Put your hand
there.
up.
Hey! Also, it's actually cool. Obviously, we'll have to look at each camera.
Yeah.
But just put them back in there when we show.
So this is a closer look. So you're gonna have to be quick with this one.
Fish. Just show them. Fish.
Well, there. Fish is nothing special about. I'm missing a part. Again.
Turtle.
I'm missing the lion's head. Oh. There we go. He's the lion.
Dolphin. 2 dolphins. We won't bother showing you them both. Oh, we'll just leave them undone because
I'm just looking at this camera first.
Horse, but obviously the sides, but they're attached. They're unattached.
Mr. Green Monkey. Okay, I think Karen's coming in. She doesn't want to do. She doesn't want to. Are you taking them all apart? I'm not.
Yeah, because that's what we're going to do.
But I didn't bother. Oh, sorry. They're all like.
Okay. Oh, this thing.
There's also a panda. Oh my god. Oh god.
I'll start putting these apart.
There's also a panda here, but the back's missing off. Oh no, it's not. This is the panda. Panda. Oh god. Can you even see? Oh no, I got it. So I'm just going to give a close up on this camera. And a close up on this camera. Obviously, both sides it's like doubled. It's actually really cool how it's doubled. Like if you could taste it, it would be really cool. But it's doubled. So.
And
well,
do the eyes come out? I think they do. Oh, they do.
On what? Oh, that's cool.
An eyeless fish. Anyone want a fish?
What do you call a rubber? What do you call a fish that's got no eyes?
Fishless.
Is a rubber? Okay, so let's get started. So guys, this is all together. There's 2 more rubbers, but they're not detachable. It's amazing. Oh, that's from our old video. That was funny. That. So as you guys know, we're probably in our pajamas. Like, you know, like when you get to a video, you put.
Can I just change? Should we do like dolphins in one part, so it's a bit easier?
Well, we're gonna pick one out and see what we. Oh god.
What part we getting then? That's
yeah.
Right, so we're just gonna pick one.
Well, then we're gonna pick one. We're gonna put them all in, and then we're gonna just go like, and see who does. And at the end, when there's none left, we're gonna see who does the most. Okay. So we're in our jams because we just filmed on night routine. We filmed 3 videos in one day.
You can't see my face.
Move back then.
Yeah, but then I'm like.
Okay, you can see on mine because you just can't see it on yours because it's thingy. But we've got all of us here. What we're going to do and pick them. So say we're going to pick the body. So if you get this body, you'll have to do this to match. If you know what I'm saying. So
let's get started in 3, 2. Hands behind your back. 3, 2, 1, go.
Bloody hell. And if someone took your part, you just have to like put it back.
Yeah, just got another one.
Bloody hell. I'm getting all the parts together first. Don't know why, but.
Where's your body? There you are.
Oh my god, this is so stressful. Like, but if you be too fast, it's like time wasting, isn't it? Did you go for the big ones or the small ones?
Small.
Fridge.
This doesn't even go in.
I know the part's missing.
No, it should go in.
We're there. Oh god, we're there, guys.
So we took it all apart because such happened.
Yeah. So I'm gonna have to say hi guys again to this camera.
Hi guys!
Hi guys! So today we're playing the detachable rubber. Detachable rubber race. What?
Tell them.
Wait, guys.
Kirst takes photo.
And what did put on?
Hi guys!
welcome to the YouTube channel. So today we're doing the retractable rubber race. We already started this, but then it's a attachment. So we're doing it again. I'm not going to show the rubber till again until it's all done. I think we're going to be on doing one race. And if we tie, we'll have to do another race, but I don't think we're going to tie. I think she's going to win. So 3, 2, 1, go! Bloody. No, I got it first. Okay, I'll bloody do a different one.
Oh, that's the one I was going to do, but I will.
Bloody hell. Look, this one's already half done for me.
You cheat.
No, this one's already half done. I don't know why, but it's already half done. Bloody hell. Panda face. Panda.
Right, someone else can do it. So one last time. For people's sake. I think she might win this race, people. That's what I've got.
No, I haven't.
Nothing, that's what Wait, there's a piece missing.
Oh, is there?
There should be another piece.
No, there's not. There
Oh, no.
Well, oh, there's a piece missing on mine, I think, more. No, there's not. Oh, phew. I hate the ones like this one in the draft, because you don't know where it goes on, do you?
Nope. The draft? I'm doing the draft.
No, I'm like the horse. You don't know where it's going on, do you? Like, you don't know where to put it on, and then you're like, oh, I've done, and then, like, it comes off, and you're like, oh, I'm not done.
Yeah. Where's the monkey's body?
No.
It's gone. It's actually gone. Oh, I have it.
Dummy.
I'm like, it's gone.
But I see the eye for the fish. It's only one eye.
Yeah, that's all one. By the way, you're allowed to finish one off if one person isn't done.
Oh my god, bloody hell. Oh, this is so tense.
And you're allowed to, like,
I think we might draw,
one,
you know.
but obviously.
I think we might draw, you know. Okay, whoever finishes first. I was wondering who want to finish first.
Done.
Oh, Olivia won.
Oh.
Is the eye missing?
It's not a push all the way through. Right. Count. 1, 7.
Oh, you both got 7. So now we're going to do it. What's it called? It's kind of called the dead round or something. What's it called? What's it?
Season finale.
No, it's. And I'm really good talent where two people draw and they go like they sing off or something. What's it called? I don't know. So our thing is what we're going to do now. I don't think we should do it the same race. I think we might do it differently. But whatever. So
go on to part 2, man, because no, mine only takes 15 minutes since it's on 8. So.
Yeah, so
it'll be fine.
So
if it gets to 15, I will.
Okay, let's take them all apart and let's do the quick. Oh, stop me nail.
Be back when it's nice. So we're done, and we
this
took
time
all the 2-part ones.
It's gonna be like an end race. So we took all the 2-part ones out at the side
and
there.
3 out, so on 3 we're gonna start.
3.
Hands behind your back. 3, 2, 1. Red,
2, 1, go.
No, I was putting them apart.
3, 2, 1, go.
Give into the fire. I've just got 2-part one.
What are you doing?
Line.
I'm doing the panda. Why is somebody back on the panda there? So stressful, isn't it? Like.
Need to be.
No, we had a good day, didn't we? We had a good karaoke.
It takes you home. Oh, took the wrong body.
The eyes are quite fiddly on the dolphin, isn't it? Like,
you
can't get like all lined up.
The penguin's 2-part because 2 pieces missing.
Oh, where's bloody eye gone? Oh my god, where's the eye gone? Stop a minute, stop! The eye's gone. Oh, there he is. Where gets back on the table? Okay, go. We go again. Oh my god, we deal.
Could just use the other petal.
Yeah, but like it doesn't matter because then when the other dolphin comes.
True.
Okay. Monkey.
A bit's gone.
What bit? Stop!
Oh no, it's not good.
You always do that, don't you? Because you always think.
Yeah. Oh, a bit is gone. Oh no, that just.
Oh, this one came with a bit,
What?
this bit with a bit,
When you can get your
still attached. There's the penguin feet. Ha! You're not done.
Oh no, I'm not done. Still have to do this.
Oh no, but you missed the penguin feet.
Whoa, stop! You've got me edge, you cheeky thing.
I didn't know you had the edge.
Yeah, I've just put it back on.
Really good on.
Done! Oh no, I'm not. Done.
Oh. Okay, let's count how much we have. And I'm not going to include this one because it's not done.
6.
4. Olivia is the winner. Woo! Like she always is.
So I'm going to see how much we can take apart.
Okay.
Wait. No, I need to put this one back together.
So we're going to make this. See, I know it's like Olivia's already won, but it's like in. So it doesn't matter who's won. Yeah, this one's going to be a quick.
Put all your stuff like to the side.
This is going to be a quick round because I don't want this video to be too long and boring for you guys. Even though I don't have any subscribers, but who cares?
Right, you ready? All in the middle. 3, 2, 1, go. Done. Oh no. Done.
Okay,
See how much, right? So
Nuts.
that's. I'm just gonna put them into groups for now.
That's all one.
Did you hide the penguin feet from me?
No.
Or did you?
You just didn't see them. That's 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's just count. So that's all one. That's all one. That's all one. That's all one. Okay, how many do you do?
6.
Add on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add on 5. Oh god, sorry. Excuse me.
When she'll put them all together now, so.
No, we'll just leave it like that. So guys, I don't know if you saw our rubber collection, but we have a tiger, which is over here in bits.
Tiger, a giraffe, a penguin, a fish, a lion, a horse.
I'll do these one, I'll do my ones. A polar bear, a monkey, a dolphin, a pink dolphin, a panda, and a blue dolphin.
Lippy lips, a
Tail.
yeah, and a ice cream.
Did you see the fish?
Yeah.
And I also have a button rubber and a normal rubber. But
See around each other, just doing
so that's it from us, guys, and we will see you hopefully tomorrow. Bye.